Hello everyone, I'm Asha from IS department. My topic is automated potholes detector. Here is the introduction. Potholes are one of the major concerns in transportation infrastructure. Damaged roads or roads with potholes are threat to lives. It also causes several accidents, which is loss to our property and also causes loss of lives. Causes for potholes are insufficient pavement thickness, insufficient drainage, failures at utility trenches and castings, pavement defects and cracks left unmaintained. Importance: potholes are dangerous to vehicle drivers, pedestrians, and also animals. So, we need to build a system which automatically detects the upcoming potholes on the road and sends an alert to the drivers and the pedestrians so that they can take the right way. Automated potholes detector. To overcome this problem, we should have an automated system that detects the potholes. Automated potholes detector is an app that detects the potholes which are near to us through GPS. This detector detects the potholes which are in distance of some meters and sends a sensor in the smartphone and guides to take right direction. Advantages: it reduces accidents by potholes, reduces damage of properties, better network between the cities increases better trade and exchange, improvement in transportation. It helps blind people have a hustle free walk. It saves one's life, improvement in economic growth of the country. Conclusion: in this system, we don't see any disadvantages. By this detecting system, we can stop a lot of accidents and can prevent damage of properties. There will not be any harm to pedestrians and blind peoples. So, this automated potholes detector can save many lives and helps in the growth of the country. So here is the diagrammatic representation of this pothole detector. Thank you.